well, 10 to 1 this evening, you must tune in. But Bernard, in Dorset, one of the most beautiful parts of the country, tell me what is on your bucket list, sir?
I'm a published composer, and I've written a complete ballet for guitar and orchestra. I would love to hear it before I die, but I'll be 80 in August. It's a complete ballet. Nobody in history has ever written a ballet for guitar and orchestra. Rodrigo wrote a Morbus Concerto, as everyone knows.
A great composer, Rodrigo.
Yes, yes. Well, I love my music. I've written all the music for my wife's plays, Thomas Novelli, and I have absolute confidence. But the problem is, how can I ever hear it? I don't think I'll ever get to hear it. It's on CD, but it was made with the technology, Sibelius technology. So it sounds quite good, but it's not exactly.
It's not quite the same thing, is it, as being done with the real instruments?
That's right. But I'm absolutely confident of this ballet. Everyone who's heard this so far.
Well, listen, I hope you get your wish, Bernard, and it sounds like you very much deserve to. Thank you for that, and Dorset. Kenny, meanwhile, is up in the Wirral. Kenny, morning.
Hello there, morning to you.
I suppose you're, of course, down in the Wirral, depending on where people are listening this morning. What's on your bucket list?
I've got quite a small bucket list, as I just spoke to you.
Go on.
Researcher. On my two bucket lists, only two. One was to go to Auschwitz,
Right.
which I've already done, and the other one was to throw myself out of an airplane on my 60th birthday.
And presumably with a parachute, of course.
Hopefully, yes.
Just tell us if you would, when you went to Auschwitz, it's something I've never done. I have been to a death camp near Riga in Latvia. Tell me how you responded to that.
You've got to do it. You couldn't explain it, man. You've got to do it. It's very hard to explain. No birds in the trees, it's weird. No leaves on the trees. No, the trees are there. It's very strange, very, very nice.
Not nice, maybe not the way, but important.
Not nice in a nice way, you know what I mean?
But an important experience.
Oh, but very nice, and you see and I was actually, you get a tour guide each, like, put you into groups of 10, and it's like, the fella that took us round had, like, his grandmother was actually in that camp, you know, so it was really surreal to listen to it.
Deeply moving, I imagine.
Oh, it was, yeah, and then you go to Belton and you see the end, and it's hard to say the word, but to see the engineering of the Germans with the BMW cars and whatever, and you can see the engineering there, the way they made, you know, they put the train stations closer to the camp, and it was absolutely surreal, and that shows you where, you know, the technology comes from.
Deeply chilling.
Early stage.
Deeply chilling. All right, Kenny, thank you in the Wirral. 0345 60 60 973. On my bucket list, says Martin, would be to meet Steve Allen. You're going to have to spell his name right first, Martin. That would be a good start. Allen with an E, of course. Not two A's. Matty says, Mach in Liverpool. Morning, Mach. Matty, he says, go in shark cage. Want to go to shark cage with a great white, fly in a Lancaster and sit in every place the airmen did it in. Go to a proper class for a chef, for a scran, not sure what a scran is, and go Royal Ascot for full 5 days and have £100 for each day to play with. That's Mark in Liverpool with a kiss. Thank you for the kiss, Mark. 0345 60 60 973 for more of your bucket list fantasies. This is Matt Stanton, Saturday and Sunday mornings 1 to 5. I'd quite like to get to a World Cup final. Never done that. 14 minutes to 5.
Coming up at 1 on LBC, Ian Payne.
The United Nations says Britain is getting happier. No, seriously, we're 15th in the world, and after 5 o'clock I'll tell you who's above and below us and what the secret to happiness is.
Ian Payne on LBC. The Nigel Farage Show, LBC.
This Parliament actually genuinely doesn't want me back. I was perhaps the first outspoken Eurosceptic in the European Parliament here. If that's what's really being seems it isn't just the Brits that want to avoid holding European elections. I think actually, probably, there's quite a few in the European Union too.
The Nigel Farage Show, this morning from 10 on LBC.
Hello and welcome to Scam or Smart. We'll play 2 investment pitches. You guess which one's a scam. Okay, here's the first.
Well, this could offer a good counterbalance to your current portfolio.
Interesting. Now for the second.
This is something that will appeal to a successful investor like yourself.
So, which one's the scam? Well, it was the second pitch. Hard to tell? That's why smart investors always check the warning list from the Financial Conduct Authority. Search Scam Smart.
How do I stay safe online?
Probably not the first thing they'll think to search for, is it? Is it time you talk to your child about internet safety? Internet Matters, helping parents keep their children safe online. Find out how at internetmatters.org.
Landlords, Direct Line guarantees to meet other insurers' renewal premiums for the same cover. Can your insurance do that? Switch to Direct Line Landlord. New customers only. Qualifying criteria apply. Underwritten by UK Insurance Limited.
Dads, they're often the first person in the firing line when the Wi-Fi isn't working. But with BT Complete Wi-Fi, only we guarantee a signal in every room. Billy can fight buggers in the bedroom, Becky can watch her beauty vloggers in the bathroom, and Mum can do whatever she likes wherever. Join today. It's £39.99 a month on an 18-month contract with a £29.99 setup fee. BT customers can upgrade with BT Plus. BT, be there. New customers, free plan increase starts in 2020. 44.49 months, month-end payment, free discount, 1.9 months off your bill.
Take roulette for a spin at Coral Casino. The last 3 numbers have been odd. The last 4 have come in red. But wait, you saw a black cat this morning. Some people say that could be good luck. Maybe it was some kind of mystical sign. Or do you just own a black cat? The wheel's spinning. Make your call. We've hundreds of great games and live tables waiting for you when you download our app or go online. The Smart Money's on Coral Casino. When the fun stops, stop.
LBC. Louis, with a soft S, I'm told, is in Uxbridge. Louis, good morning.
Oh yes, hello there, Matt. Good morning. I like to think I know what riddles are, but unfortunately I didn't know what bucket list was until this point in time.
Really?
Until I didn't know what it was. Bucket list apparently means achieving accomplishments at a point in your life until you perish. Myself, I'm on the old autistic spectrum disorder somehow. It's undisclosed and I don't really want to go into over the national radio. But for me, I've had a lot of sort of discrimination over my life.